to keep your clothes looking fresh and bright and awesome, it's always great to have a detergent that you really enjoy using. And this one by Tide is the original. It's one of the iconic laundry detergent brands out there, and it has many great properties. It cleans really well and, just handles clothes really nicely. Some awesome things I liked about this one is that it also highlighted many of the environmental features, such as the bottle being 100% recyclable, that it was powered with wind power and electricity, and that it cleans really well in cold water too. So if you want to use a cold rinse cycle, then that's awesome. On the side here, it shows a meter to show how much you have left, so you can know when it's high tide or low tide. And overall, I think it just works really nice. It smells really fresh and clean, and it works really well on all kinds of clothes. And the cap itself is also a really nice measuring device. It has different levels, up to 5, of different amounts, so a little bit goes a long way, but you really can measure out to make any kind of custom amount that you need for the laundry that you're doing. The cap itself as well is a very inventive pouring device. It has tons of things to make sure that it doesn't spill, and anything that does spill goes right back in. So it's very recyclable, renewable, going back, everything you can use, and it just lasts a really long time. This is the huge 64 loads version, so you can do a lot of laundry with this, and possibly even more than that, because you really do get a lot and it goes a long way. But yeah, Tide works really awesome, and I've had it in other forms before, but it was cool to use their detergent, and it works just as well as other things I've made.